Wow, Sophia. Hi, everyone. I'm going to do a challenge right now. And her name's Emily, and my second's name is Cherry. What is that?
This is for our game challenge.
Oh, but you should put your hand in here and guess what it is?
Yeah, right now we will play challenge game, okay?
Okay.
And if you win, you will get a present, okay?
A real prize?
You need to guess 10 times. Emily, will you help me?
Yeah.
Sophia, you ready?
Yes.
What do you think? Will you win?
I will win.
Okay.
Big sun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You can open your eyes now. Okay, one hand. Try to guess.
A diaper.
Yeah! 1 point. You got 1 point. You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Try to guess. Don't look. What is? Is it soft?
Yeah. What is the color?
It's a pink.
Is it a napkin?
No.
What do you have to put on it?
It's something you put on to make your feet warm.
Maybe a sock.
Right.
Sock.
Okay, 2 points.
Yeah.
Don't look. It's ready.
Oh, there's somebody cool. Ice.
No.
Banana.
No.
What is starts first? What is the first letter?
A.
Apple.
You have 3 points. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
What is that? Oh, apple again? But what color is it?
Okay. Yellow.
And what is starts the first letter?
B.
Banana.
So you have 4 points. So how many points more do you need?
We need 6 points to have 10.
Yes, you're right. Open your eyes.
Oh, what do you do with it?
You can play with that. You can build with that.
Is it a ball?
No.
Maybe a block.
Yeah. Okay, how many points do you have?
We need 5 more.
Yes, we need 5 more. Okay, you can open your eyes.
What is this? Is it a shoe?
You're right, Sophie, it's a shoe. So how many points do you have?
6. 5 more.
Emily, will you help me, Emily? Okay, it's ready.
But what is it for?
It's for gymnastic.
Oh, but for which? For the beginning of class?
Yes.
Oh, it's a rope.
You're right.
3 more points.
Okay.
20. It's not. I think it's a dog.
Yeah.
That was a snack. That's how we have to do it again.
Okay, how many points do you need? It's ready.
my gosh, Is it wet?
Yes, it's a little bit wet.
I know. A bucket.
No.
A ducky?
Yeah, look.
Oh, it's a ducky. Is he ready?
Yes.
Oh, really fast. They had it. A fork.
No.
A spoon. A golden spoon.
So how many points do you have? 10.
I get to prize.